You know, ever since I've been working for the Beavers, which has been a long time, I can't help but remember the first time I laid my eyes on her. Summer Crab. She's hands down gorgeous with her amazing smile. Damn big black eyes and those pincers. Oh my, those pincers. A Beaver's ideal woman was mine right as we met at the bar. What a sight. Though some don't understand the affection robots can feel for one another. Though, despite all that, it didn't matter. We were two robots whose hearts had a pulling force, a feeling of electricity. But as time went by, the Beaver family, my family, became suspicious about me. They noticed my trips to the beach, sometimes at night. I never thought they would eventually toss me out, disconnect themselves from me, or even betray me with their fabricated lie about that so-called golden tree. They left me in the woods to rot for the rest of my time alive. Those Beavers just wanted wood. Just wood. No affection at all. Summer Crab is too gorgeous to be there. They'll eventually treat her badly and then throw her out too. I can't live with that possibility. I must save her. They are the monsters, not me. I have to make sure they never forget about that, no matter what my programming makes me do.
What fools they were. It always amuses me to see such naive characters get wiped out by none other than fate itself. What happened to Kill Timber and his love interest? They found each other, but in a state they weren't used to seeing their partners in, withering all over their costumes. They didn't recognize each other. We were all trapped in this forest, broken down, malfunctioning, yet striving to live. But robots like us don't stand a chance. It was never fair. But that is something that isn't important to me. I'm far better than those lovebirds. But they learned their lesson now. I'm Kill Timber. Look at my fat, ugly snout. I am idiotic to the point of no return.
Yeah, I'm Summer Crab, the most stupidest looking robo-girl crab hybrid to ever exist. My head is really large and I'm naive enough to fall for that handsome beaver boy.
As you can see, I'm far more interested in doing my own thing. Changing the topic, I hadn't tasted flesh in years now, and I'm still very mad at how badly you treated me when I paid you a visit a few nights ago. What happened to hospitality, Mike? It seems that, well, I can't show you any either. It seems like these are your last seconds alive.